Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Facebook Messenger freezing problem. So the first method is we need to clear our Messenger cache files and datas. To do that, tap and hold your Messenger app, tap on app info, tap on storage usage, clear cache, clear data, and then go to your Messenger, log into account again and check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to uninstall our Messenger app and we need to reinstall it. So uninstall your Messenger and go to Play Store, search for Messenger, reinstall your Messenger here and check the problem if fixed or not. And the last and final solution is we need to use an older version of Messenger. But before doing that, uninstall your current Messenger app and then go to browser, search here older version of Messenger and open this second link. Scroll down and from this list you can download any older version of Facebook Messenger. All you have to need, just tap on the version name which you want to download and now tap on download, and once it's downloaded, install and log into account and enjoy. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.